Hi.
Hi.
So what do you have? What are you gonna show us today?
Check out all the vacuum machine and then the vacuum is making dust and candy.
Okay, what is your vacuum called?
Dyson Vacuum.
A Dyson vacuum?
Yeah, and the monster truck.
Oh wow, can you show me the Dyson vacuum?
Yeah.
So what is this right here?
That's all that's coming in.
Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. What color is it?
Black and white and blue and then green.
Okay. Can you turn it on for us so we see how it works? Hey, Eli. Wow. Wow.
Now it's on. And then the Dyson vacuum.
Your Dyson vacuum?
Your vacuum is
Mm-hmm.
have voltage in it. They have a handle like mine.
Uh-huh. Come over here. Let me see how you pick up the dirt with that vacuum. Wow.
Oh, look at that right there. Look at that.
Push your little red button. Push it. Wow. I like the noise. It's pretty cool. It's cleaning up the whole rug.